Hi, in our video this time, we want to talk about iron remover from Dr.Chemist. Iron remover can be used to remove iron dust and iron particles that got stuck on the car surfaces. It is suitable and safe to be used on surfaces such as car body, car paint and tyre rim. Let's see how to use it. First step, open bottle cap and replace with the spray head provided. Second step, shake bottle before use. Third step, spray iron remover on the surface. Fourth step, wait for a few minutes until the liquid changes to purple. Fifth step, use sponge to even out the liquid and scrub the stains on the surface. Sixth step, rinse with water until clean. And that's all you need to do. It's easy, right?